welcome back to my channel Shivansh's World. In this video I will say about World Nature Conservation Day. So let's start. World Nature Conservation Day is observed every year on July 28 to raise awareness to protect Mother Earth. Conservation is the principle of resource use, allocation and protection of the health of the natural world. It is important for both renewable and non-renewable energy. So the current circumstances have led to the extinction of many species on planet Earth. Conserving resources by keeping the needs and interests of human beings in the mind will help in the growth of biological, economic, cultural and recreational values. Climate change is affecting the whole world with several negative implications on the atmosphere and for the quality of land surrounding the forest. Therefore, conservation is the protection of natural resources, which adds importance and value to humans in one form to another. History. The history and origin of the day are unknown. The greed of humans has led to the exploitation of natural resources. The day to create awareness of management and utilization of natural resources. Celebration. This day is celebrated by spreading information about conserving nature, the utilization of resources by avoiding plastics and appreciating nature to the fullest. Steps you can take to contribute to the conservation of nature. First, avoid waste of food and water. Second, save electricity by switching off lights, fans and air conditioners. Third, practice recycling reusable and biodegradable products. Fourth, planting of trees for adding greenery to the planet. So this was about World Nature Conservation Day. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Shivansh's World and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you and bye bye.